Good morning, friends. Welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in selection MCQ series for retail banking and wealth management. And presently, we are in the most important series, that is, most probable questions. And today, we are covering Chapter 7 credit scoring and Chapter 8 liability products. So, up till now, we have covered Chapter 6. 6 chapters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 days, 6 chapters we have covered. Follow the whole series because these are the probable questions. These might come to you in exam. That's why more chances are there. Okay, so let's start without wasting the time. Firstly, education is a passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. So education is a passport for future. If you prepare for JAIIB and CIB right now, only then tomorrow will belong to you. Only then the success will belong to you. Okay, so that's why education is a passport, very important part. Okay, let's start with this. Okay, credit scoring. See this chapter number what, 7th? Yeah, 7th and 8th we are following, right? So chapter number 7, credit scoring. Credit scoring models are based on the dash of the applicants, defaults on the previous credit transactions, payment behavior or payment history, previous searches and inquiries, and annual income. So what are these based on? Credit scorings are based on what? What do you mean by scorings here? Nowadays we all have that CIBIL score, right? Based on the CIBIL score only we give the loans. So what are those CIBIL score? That is scoring. What do you mean by the CIBIL score? So what is it? Who can answer me? Let's see fast. It is based on annual income. Do we check annual income in this credit scoring model? CIBIL, does it check annual income? Previous defaults on previous credit transactions. How many defaults have I made? Have I repaid the loans correctly on time? Payment behavior means default will give you the payment behavior. Previous searches or inquiries means what all inquiries I have made. Now inquiries into what? Inquiries into CIBIL score. Many people have the habit of checking the CIBIL scores, right? That is called as soft checking. Okay, so based on this, credit scoring models are given. There are two types of inquiries. There is soft inquiry and hard inquiry. Hard inquiry is done by the personal loan or credit card companies. Soft inquiry is done by the individual. So, and annual income. Is annual income included in the CIBIL score or credit score? No, it is not included. So the answer is, what is the answer? A, B, C or D? D is 1, 2 and 3. B is 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And A is 1 and 3. So what is the answer? Correct answer over here. The answer is D, right? 1, 2 and 3. See here, always remember, credit score does not include this annual income. Okay? There is something new thing coming up, that is called as account aggregator. That will include annual income, but this credit score presently does not include. The most common mistakes in credit score will be due to. So why is this common mistake? Why there are many mistakes in this? Confusion in names, human input error, identity theft, or all of these. So 1, 2 and 3, and let's check the options. 1 only, confusion in names. 1 and 2 means confusion and human input error. C, 2 and 3, human input error and identity theft. So no confusion in names. And D is all of them, 1, 2 and 3. So it is due to what? Who can tell me? It is due to quite common sense, isn't it? You can definitely answer this. Many of you are answering actually. Correct. The answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. See here, all the three things happen in credit score. Confusion in names means same. I'll give you a simple example. Harish. Okay, and Harish. Are these names same? So this is known as confusion in name. In rest of India we call it Vivek. In Bengali we call it Bibek. So if somebody types this some name in Bengali, he might type Bibek. So these are the differences, confusion in names. These create problems in this CIBIL score. So but nowadays there are options for this, means they have been linked to the Aadhaar card. So very less chances now of occurring this. Okay, chalo, move on. Which one of the following is not a credit information company approved by RBI? Credit information company. It is not a credit information company. So which one of these is not? CRISIL, Experian, Equifax and CIBIL. Credit information means what? Which gives you the credit score, CIBIL score. It doesn't give this. Which company doesn't give it? Now many of you know this name, CRISIL and CIBIL. These two names we Indians know very well. So definitely you will think that CRISIL and CIBIL is not the answer. It can be either Experian or Equifax because I don't know these names. But remember, the answer is something different. Answer is not what you think. Actual answer is, let me see who can answer first. Actual answer is CRISIL. CRISIL is not the credit information company. Okay? It is not a credit. It is for here. These are all giving the credit information. That CIBIL score 300 to 900. But CRISIL gives rating to the corporates. This mainly gives ratings to the corporate. AAA, AA, A plus. All these ratings are given by CRISIL. And all these remaining three companies give you the ratings for the individuals as well as to the organizations also, but these are not these are rating companies, credit information companies, and this is credit rating company. Understand the difference. These only give you the information and this gives you the rating, that what level of that company is. Okay, got it everyone? Difference. Before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app you will be getting all the premium study materials plus live classes, ebooks, tests, everything. Whatever you need for clearing JAIIB and CIB, you'll get it over there. So that's why download it fast, because how many days are there for the exam now? Type in the comment section. How many days are there for the exam? Are there 20 days left? Not even 20 days. So that's why download it fast. Okay. Which one of the following parameters the credit information companies normally give weightage? Normally give weightage means which one of these are given importance over here. So this is credit CR. Okay. So which one of these is given importance? These companies will give importance means CIBIL, CRISIL. So where will they give the weightage? New credit, length of the credit history, amounts owed and payment history. Main point which they focus on is, who can give me? Let's yes, fast. Which one? Everyone be comfortable. Okay, it is payment history. D. These companies will always focus on payment history. If you have payment history, what do you mean by payment history? It means, have I repaid my EMIs on time? Repaid on time. That is important. Number 2, have I repaid full amount? So here on time is important and also full amount. If I have kept some amount that no, this time no, half of this EMI take, next time full. So that is our second point. So repaid on time, repaid in full, right? And whether have I missed anything? This is also important. If I missed any EMI and by how many days have I missed? That is also checked. So that's why what are the important parameters this credit information company, CIBIL, Equifax, all these companies will take, that is payment history. Okay. Now let's come to the next chapter, retail liability products. I told you 2 chapters are there, right? 7 and 8. So this is 8th. The requirement for minimum balance stipulated by banks to current account deposits is more compared to the savings account. This is because, see, logic is there. Current account is not giving me any interest. Then also I am asking for higher minimum balance, or MAB we call it nowadays. So higher MAB for current account, even though I am not giving the interest. So what are the options? The transaction cost in the current account deposit is more than the savings due to the provision of unlimited number of transactions being allowed in the current account deposit by the banks. So the number of transactions in current account is any number. There is no limitation to this. Okay. Current deposit is not preferred by the banks because it is highly volatile. Don't banks prefer this current account? No, banks prefer, Because CASA is of prime importance, right? What is CASA? Current account, saving account. That is the core bread and butter of any company, any banking company. So what can be the options? Only two options I have given. No C and D, only two. So because the number of volumes in current account is high, and because of this the transaction cost increases. That's why the minimum balance, or MAB we call it, MAB. Nowadays we don't have minimum balance now, isn't it? Now it's MAB, monthly average balance. So the MAB stipulated on the current deposit is more than that of the savings deposit. Clear everyone? Because of the transaction cost being higher, savings generally a person puts money once in a week, okay, but current account every day there are around 5 to 10 transactions, isn't it? Everyone subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel you will be getting number one, very important, free YouTube series on all the subjects. What is this free YouTube series? What are you watching right now? Right now, what are you watching? You are watching the same free YouTube series. Where are you watching? You are watching on Officers Adda 24/7. So once you are getting anything free, I would suggest subscribe to it and click on the bell icon, isn't it? So do it fast. Very important. This free YouTube series will help you a lot in your exams. Okay? So subscribe to it immediately. According to income tax rule, a term deposit FD may be paid in cash if the amount of maturity proceeds is less than 20,000. If the amount of maturity proceeds is up to 20,000. If the amount of maturity proceeds is more than 120,000. 120. Okay. And last one is if the bank any amount after being satisfied of the genuineness. So bank can pay any amount after being satisfied of the genuineness. So what is the answer? Yeah. Where can I pay a FD in cash? Means I am the customer to you. I come to you and say that, see, this is my FD. Now this is your receipt. Give me the amount in cash. Will you give me? No, you will transfer it to my savings account. But where do you give me in cash? You can give me in cash if the amount is up to or less than, in fact, not up to, less than 20,000. A is the answer, not even up to. Up to means even 20,000 is allowed. 20,000 is not allowed. It should be less than 20,000. Okay, less than, not less than or equal to. Okay, it should be less than. Got it? Reverse sweep facility in 2-in-1 account is applicable for on last in, last out, first in, first out, then first in, last out, and last in, first out. So these are the inventory techniques actually, right? You might have studied this in inventory somewhere, LIFO, FIFO, but the same thing is used in banking also. So reverse sweep facility means what? What is reverse sweep facilities? Here there are two facilities, sweep in, sweep out. Okay, sweep in means what? Sweep in means if I am having some this FD and this check comes in, okay, so it is getting this credited, means into that savings, and the check is passed. Similarly, sweep out, if I am having some extra money in my savings account, it can be transferred to the FD. So these two are the main facilities. So reverse sweep is one of them. So 2-in-1 account. 2-in-1 means what? Two accounts, saving FD. In one means transfer, combination of these. So this is allowed on which basis? So the answer is, how many of you have typed this? Let me see in the comment section. It is LIFO, last in, first out. Last in, first out means whatever amount has come last will be removed first. Whatever amount has come first will be removed last. Okay, that is the reverse sweep. The rate of interest in case of recurring deposit for a particular period is less than FD, is same as FD, more than FD. It is at the discretion of the bank to stipulate the rate of interest on in RD different than the FD. What is this? It should be so simple for you. You might be, you are all in the banks now for many days, okay, many years in fact. So this recurring is always less than FD or more than FD, or bank decides. What is recurring? Recurring deposit is actually a FD. I'll just write REC now, okay. REC deposit means FD. Both the things are one and the same. Only recurring is what? It is part FD, means annuity we call it. It's actually an annuity FD. I make FDs in parts, in EMIs, so that is recurring, but after all it's a FD. So the rate of interest should always be the same as that of FD, isn't it? So for any recurring, the rate of interest will always be the same as that of the FD, always, okay? Now let me come to these batches here. I know there are less than what now, 10-15 days for the exams. You don't have time, and you don't have that much time to attend the batches, and also the batches, if I start means taking the batches, you won't be able to attend everything, right, because of the pressures of the bank. So that's why what have we done? We have prepared the video courses. In these video courses, you can definitely watch them at your ease whenever you want. 80% discount is going on, Mahapack double validity. Even we have the prime test pack. You can go for the tests, you can check your knowledge, because that's what is needed now. We are in the LMR, last minute revision stage, okay? So that's why join these video courses. Even we have the revision batches, those who want, you can definitely join the revision batches. They have started, okay? So join the revision batches. How to use them, how to join these, let me show you, okay? Let's go to Adda 24/7. Now click on JAIIB 23. See this, in JAIIB 23 you'll see all the batches. Power Pack revision batches. See this, bilingual as well as English, both of them are available. If you click on view all, you'll get all the English batch also. English batch revision Power Pack batches. See this you can join. This you can join, you'll get the details. You go through the details, take your own time. All the important numericals, case studies, objective questions are covered over here. Very fast batch. Fees is also, look at the fees, 26.39, but that can be reduced. Put the code Y432. Y432. Now look at this. It is reduced to 2399, 80% off. Similarly, let me show you video courses also. If you can't join this on time, you can go for the video courses. In video courses also, you have all these batches, you can get it, and at the recorded sessions. So look at the video course. See this video course. Click on this video course, you'll see this again. All the topics covered, what all topics are covered, study plan means video plan, I'll call it now. Then look at the fees, 4179. Click on more offers. Put the code Y432. Look at the discount. See this, 80% off again. 3799. In these video courses you get ebooks also, tests also. So 18999 reduces to 3799. I would suggest you should go for any of these. In fact, you can go for tests also. Okay, similarly you can go for this. Use the code Y432. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, bye, keep studying, and do join either this video course batch, or you can join the revision batch, or even the test series. Anything, but do something, because that is important. Exams are nearing, portion is new. Many of you don't know what will come in the exam. We are here to guide you. Okay, bye.